Imagine a wall of water taller than any skyscraper crashing onto a coastline. This is the terrifying image some people associate with Russia's new weapon Poseidon. Could a single nuclear bomb really unleash a tsunami of this magnitude? The answer lies in understanding the science of tsunamis and the effects of underwater nuclear detonations. The claim of a 500-meter tsunami, however, has been met with skepticism from scientists and experts worldwide. To understand why, we need to delve into the fundamental mechanics of tsunamis and how they differ from the shock waves produced by nuclear weapons. Poseidon, officially known as the Status 6 Oceanic Multipurpose System, is not your typical torpedo. This underwater drone is powered by a nuclear reactor, giving it incredible range and stealth capabilities. It can travel thousands of kilometers undetected, lurking silently in the depths of the ocean. What makes Poseidon particularly concerning is its payload, a nuclear warhead. While the exact yield remains classified, some estimates suggest it could be as powerful as 100 megatons, twice the size of the largest nuclear weapon ever detonated. Tsunamis are awe-inspiring displays of nature's power, but their immense energy originates from a specific type of motion. Imagine an earthquake displacing a massive volume of water vertically, like a giant paddle pushing up on the ocean floor. This displacement creates a ripple effect that travels outward, forming a series of waves with extremely long wavelengths. As these waves approach shallower coastal waters, their energy compresses into a smaller space, causing the wave height to increase dramatically. This is why tsunamis, barely noticeable in the open ocean, can transform into towering walls of water as they reach the shore. Unlike earthquakes that cause a vertical displacement of water, underwater nuclear explosions release their energy in a much different manner. The explosion creates a rapidly expanding bubble of superheated gas that generates a shockwave. While powerful, this shockwave is spherical and much of its energy is absorbed by the surrounding water. Historical data from underwater nuclear tests, such as Operation Crossroads conducted in 1946, support this understanding. Even with multi-kiloton yields, the resulting waves were relatively small, measuring only a few meters in height. Section 5. The 500-meter tsunami fact or fiction. Given what we know about tsunami mechanics and underwater explosions, the idea of a single nuclear bomb generating a 500-meter tsunami stretches the limits of scientific plausibility. Even a 100 megaton detonation, while undoubtedly catastrophic, would likely produce waves significantly smaller than this exaggerated claim. To put this into perspective, a 500-meter wave would require an explosive force many times greater than any nuclear weapon ever built. It would necessitate a fundamental shift in our understanding of physics and energy release. Section 6. Propaganda and Fear, the Power of Exaggeration. Why then would such a claim be made? The answer likely lies in the realm of propaganda and psychological warfare. The image of a civilization-ending tsunami, while scientifically dubious, holds a certain power over the human psyche. Exaggerating the capabilities of weapons is a tactic as old as warfare itself. It aims to sow fear and uncertainty among adversaries, potentially deterring them from action or eroding public support for opposing policies. Section 7. Expert Opinions, Debunking the Myths. The scientific community has been vocal in debunking the notion of a Poseidon-generated mega-tsunami. Dr. Rex Richardson, a former naval physicist, has stated that the compressibility of water and its ability to absorb energy make such an event highly unlikely. The consensus among experts is clear: the 500-meter tsunami claim is a gross exaggeration, unsupported by scientific evidence or historical precedent. While devastating, a Poseidon detonation would likely cause localized damage, not global annihilation. Section 8. The Real Threat of Poseidon, a New Age of Warfare. While the mega-tsunami scenario may be a myth, Poseidon still represents a significant development in warfare. Its stealth, range, and nuclear payload introduce a new level of uncertainty and risk in an already volatile geopolitical landscape. The potential for accidents, miscalculations, or even unauthorized use raises serious concerns about the weapon's destabilizing potential. The international community must engage in dialogue and diplomacy to establish clear norms and safeguards around this new class of weaponry. Section 9. Conclusion: facing the future. The story of Poseidon, like many tales of advanced technology, is a blend of fact and fiction. While the mega tsunami scenario remains firmly in the realm of speculation, the weapon's very existence forces us to confront uncomfortable truths about the future of warfare. As we venture further into the uncharted waters of increasingly sophisticated weaponry, it is imperative that we proceed with caution, guided by reason, science, and a commitment to global security. The future of our planet may very well depend on it.